All right, hey y'all, how y'all doing? Hope you all are doing well. So yeah, today Nas was a bit rough, but would say I was able to get some good trades today. Um, all right, I'm just turn on the execution, and again this is my new eval that I bought. Um, I'm not gonna say the prop from them, but perfect. I'm not affiliated with them. All right, so yeah. First trade I took here got stopped out. I know price is gonna go lower, but that was the wrong entry. But you could see how many points I lost. But I wanted to go short here with a tighter stop loss over this high. That was a bit late, and as usual, I got stopped out with that trade. Then I took the trade again above these highs right there. You can see the execution, and I got out around here. So that was like 14 points. I risked like my stop loss was right over that high, so that was like 2.48 or alright. Now these two are like minor trades. Now I'll show you the real trades. So this high right here is the hourly. I think that was previous day's high. Was it? Yeah, that was previous day's high. So if I go on a 1 minute time frame, you'll see that after this NFP news, we had this huge green candle, and I wanted it to see whole price above that, and you could see that price tried to push through that two times but created these equal lows. All right, and when I saw that, I loved it, man, to be honest. Now uh, I have a unique strategy that I use in this kind of scenario, and I applied that. So we had this high, this low, this high, this low, then a failure swing. And when you see that, you're gonna think that price probably now gonna go lower because you made a low high and it broke the lower low. Probably gonna create another. Then look here what happened. So you made another lower low. Now you have lower high, lower low. So you think it's gonna keep on going down, and that's what I use to get in longs and target that daily high. So you could understand what I'm trying to say. And I exactly got in with a buy stop right there of that candle. So there is the execution, you could say. You could see my execution. I had my stop loss below here and had my limit over here. Took some off here. Now this was not a big trade, I would say, but it was enough for me. All right. Um, with this trade, I was break even on my account. Um, because if you know, if you saw yesterday's trade recap, that I was down like 80 bucks by the end of the day. So with this trade, made back my losses. So I was almost on break even at the time with that trade, and that was like 21 points. I took this trade also live on Discord, but I'll tell you what. Once you broke through these highs right here, the high that manipulated sellers to get in short. So once we took that high out, tell you like where I had my stop loss at that time. Yeah, now if you believe me, it's okay. If you don't believe me, then I don't care. Alright. And at that time, I had my stop loss right there below this down close candle's body. So I didn't want to see price comes below that because that is the lowest down close candle before um, a significant one you could send. That is also a propulsion order block. Now, if you don't know what is propulsion order block, it's a order block within an order block. So we had these two consecutive down close candles, and then we broke through that down close candles high. That then we formed this down close candle. So that's what I was looking at, and I didn't want to see that candle's mean threshold level gets violated. And I think if I do the flip here, you could see 50% of that as soon as we cross the high of that candle, price didn't came back below the 50% of that candle right there. Look at it, where it closed. So yeah, I had a pretty nice trade management there. I mean, risk management, and I took it. And man, I'll just literally miss this whole move down to these lows, bro. Uh, I swear on God, bro. Like when I saw this market structure shift after we took out that hourly high, and we created. Look, well, when we took out that previous day's high. So this right here is the 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. opened up, took out the daily high, our workman previous day's high. So that's when I wanted to take a short, but we are heading close to the market open, and I thought price probably gonna consolidate around here, and then probably gonna go for these lows, even though I was bullish, but went down and took out those lows. But I did took a sell here below these lows. Now, if you're gonna say that that is impulsive trade, you don't know my strategy, so say less. All right, and I got out around here. That was also like 2.48 and almost 28 points. So 38 points here. Then we had 20 points there, 20 points, 38 points. I'm not gonna count these two. All right, and the last trade. All right, so I went long here. All right, why I went long? So if you look to the left, we had this sell side that's been taken out. All right, and at that time, yes, I think um, wasn't doing what I expected it to do. It had some sort of SMT at the time. All right, with these lows, these lows, these lows, and after we took out that these sell side, well, look how price reacted off of that. It wicked up, all right, and created this rejection block. Now I wanted to be sure about this rejection block and waited for it to get tapped in and pass through that this candle's high, all right, the candle that created that swing high, this swing high right there, all right, and because in this kind of scenario, what I would really love to see is that once we sweep some sort of liquidity, I really want to see some sort of failure swing and target some sort of internal buy side, all right, and that's what happened here, failure swing, and after that price ran with speed. It just took like 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, and you could see where I got out. Now where I got out here, all right, of this side, that's a big CB first of all. And if you look to the left, what is this? This is the favorable gap where buys took place previously. So if we close above that, that means buyers gonna be in control and gonna send price more higher. But if I think price gonna take some more retracement and gonna stall for a little bit more time and probably gonna take out some other lows, I want to get out there because probably even the buyer is gonna try to push price through that, they're gonna fail. The sellers are active in this CB right here. All this may sound crazy, but that's how I see price. I don't use order flow or bookmap, whatever shit, but I can see through the candles. All right, that's it. So I got out here, and you could see where my entry was. Look where my entry was. As soon as we passed through that candle's high, and I wanted to see this candle close bullish. In that way, we would have our swing low, and it exactly did that. I had my stop loss below that bullish candle's low right there, and targeted that CB right there. So that was like 3.5 or then 88 points. All right. So I took some partials of these highs, small CB, and took out the rest above there. So here we took 10 points. Here, I mean 20 points, 30, then 90 points. So 30, 90, 140 points. So today we grabbed, I mean, I captured like 130. Was it 130, man? 150 points, all right. And you could, I didn't expect today to be this nice, I would say. Even though I could have taken these kind of these trades after that inversion, I didn't took it. one of my Discord member took this inversion trade. He got out around here. So all this trade I took on my Discord live with my members. All right. So yeah, this is how the day went, and I want to show you the account balance right now. All right. So I was down 80 bucks yesterday, if you remember. So now where my balance is at. So um, if you count the numbers, then I think I made around like 414 bucks. So today I made 414 bucks. I didn't risk any too much, to be honest. These days I'm not risking anything much, but price did exactly how I wanted it to do. All right, and I'm happy that today was a WSL. So we're on 4-day winning streak on our Discord server. And by the way, if anyone wanna join the Discord server, check the link in the description. If that's what you're looking, a community of ICT traders, um, and if you want to know how I trade, how I break things in real time, then yeah, make sure to check the link in the description and tell me in the comment section how was your session today. All right, and until I see you next time, be safe, take care of your health, and bye bye.